This International Women's Day, Hayes Hong Kong is celebrating the 2020 theme Each for Equal, believing that an equal world is an enabled world, and that collectively, each one of us can help create a gender-equal world. To celebrate, we came together with exciting office-wide games and a lucky draw, feasted over afternoon tea treats, and we held profiling sessions about our own female business leaders, so as to recognize, appreciate, and learn from our own superstars. Hayes has always been a passionate supporter of diversity and inclusion in the workplace, and International Women's Day gives us a good opportunity to reflect on the progress that we have made over the years. We have made strides in both creating a more gender-balanced workforce and increasing female representation in our Hong Kong leadership team. Now, with more female staff than ever, we strive to promote equal opportunities, where everyone is free to advance their careers without any barriers, gender or otherwise. Never forget that each of us play a crucial role in creating a gender-equal world.